Hey everyone, I am so happy to inform you all that Dr. Mungli's channel has crossed 10,000 subscribers today. So 10k subscribers. I'm so happy and I just wanted to reach to you all and say thank you for subscribing to Dr. Mungli's channel. And it has been a great journey since 2010. So I have opened this channel in 2010 but did not really be actively doing uploading videos since 2010 until 2016. So it means for around 5 to 6 years I did not really actively regularly upload videos. And from 2016 I started to upload more and more videos, and in these 1 to 2 years period, I have learned a lot from making videos here, whether in terms of quality of the video, quality of the sound, and also the lighting and the type of explanation that I am giving. So I myself, as I improved in these 2 years, I believe that you see that in the videos, in my recent videos. So, and also thanks for all the comments that you have given. So I have learned a lot from those comments. I myself improved based on those comments too. And also some of the comments were great, and I studied a lot on those comments, and also I incorporated those points into my teaching also. So thank you so much for those comments, for the feedbacks, and also for subscribing to this channel. And those who are regularly watching my videos but not yet subscribed to my channel, so I request you to subscribe to this channel so that you get regular update about my videos. So click that subscription button and also click that bell button so that you get regular updates there. And also, if you find these videos useful, so kindly share them with your friends, and if you know your friends who are looking for biochemistry videos, so kindly recommend my channel to them so that they are also benefited by this particular channel. I just want to reach out to everyone and try to make this subject as interesting and as easy as possible from my side, so that the biochemistry knowledge is spread to all the students who are in need of this kind of videos, so that it will be helpful to everyone. And also I have made a small little video here to show you where exactly I make my videos and how I work with my videos. So initially I used to take around 2 to 3 hours for each video, each 10-minute video. So now, because of the workflow that has improved with in these 2 years, so I just take around 30 minutes to 1 hour for making each of my videos. Now let me show you where I make my videos. So this is my office, and I have a small little whiteboard here in the office. So that's where I record all my videos. So I have just now, today I have recorded one of the video, and also I have a small little lighting adjustment here so that we get nice videos there. And this is my office here, and where I edit my videos. So here is my office Mac here. So I use this Mac most of the time for editing videos, and I use this Final Cut Pro and compressor. I edit in Final Cut Pro and compress the file for the output in the compressor, which are both are Apple products there. And also sometimes I use my MacBook Pro there. And how do I record my videos? So I just do self-recording myself. So I just use this selfie stick, so which is given by one of my previous student. His name is Javid. Thanks Javid for this. This is a fantastic thing and a fantastic gift that I got from you. And this is the selfie stick which has made most of my recent videos. So my other videos where you see the shakiness and all that was done by my previous students who have recorded holding my phone in the hand. Now I just like stick it on top here and then just simply record it. So, and also I have natural lighting for the board from outside. You can see the beautiful view from my office up here. So that will give natural light on the board. and also I have lighting from top from there, and also I have lighting up here. So overall it's sufficient lighting to make a video. So this is how the videos are made here in my office, all by myself and using my mobile phone, which is Samsung Galaxy S8 currently. Previously I used to use iPhone 6, and then I went to BlackBerry Preview, and then now currently I'm using Samsung Galaxy S8, and this is a fantastic phone, by the way, and it takes up to 4K videos, which I am quite impressed with the output that I am getting, and I may continue to do that. And also Samsung Galaxy S9 is coming up in the market. Probably I will go with Samsung Galaxy S9, and I'm sure that it will take much better videos than Samsung Galaxy S8, though I am happy with the S8 currently. So again, thank you for subscribing, and it's a great day that we have reached 10,000, which is one of the milestone in YouTube content creators. So I am happy about it, and just wanted to reach out to you and say thank you for that. I will keep posting these videos so that it will benefit students like you, and faculty, and all the other biochemistry community. So let's work together. Thank you so much.